late December of 2022, my town declared a state of emergency because of a blizzard. Large waves on Lake Erie famously left a row of lakefront houses covered in ice. Sustained winds of up to 75 miles per hour blew snow sideways and snapped large trees like toothpicks. Those fallen trees took power lines with them. It took more than 48 hours before the weather conditions were safe enough for crews to begin repairs, and their progress was hampered by roads clogged with snow and abandoned vehicles. Our neighborhood was without power for 4 days. For some neighborhoods, it's been longer. When the roads were cleared enough, I drove to where my bus is parked to retrieve my generator from its housing. The interior of the housing was packed with snow. In fact, several whole house generators in my neighborhood failed because snow was driven through ventilation louvers and enveloped the generator in snow. I have learned that with a storm of this severity, snow ends up in places you'd never expect. That point was driven home when I went inside my bus to retrieve the fuel for the generator. Here's the interior of my closed up bus after a remarkable blizzard. Little cracks like this led to accumulations like this. And I'm not quite sure where that all came from. I'm grateful for the kill switch in here, which meant none of the electronics could short out. At least I'm hoping that's what that means. Some of the points of ingress for the snow are easy to understand. The rubber gaskets around the back and front door are so worn that I can see daylight in some places. And this window was cracked open about a ½ inch on one side. But the points of ingress elsewhere are a mystery, like on the instrument cluster and the driver's footwell. Should there be another occasion with so much blowing snow, I hope to be able to be inside the bus while it's happening, so I can figure out where the snow is coming in and possibly plug the holes. This winter, I've been watching a lot of videos of people traveling in skoolies and vans in the winter. When finished, I pictured my bus could be a warm and dry sanctuary against the elements year-round. This blizzard has shown me that there's a lot of work to be done to make that a reality.